Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Ford Fusion air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. You'll need just a few basic tools, and it typically takes less than 15 minutes. Keeping your air filter clean is crucial for engine health, so let's get started right away with the first step. Once you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it up. Depending on your Ford Fusion model, you might have clips or screws to contend with. Gently remove the cover and then carefully pull out the old filter. Take a moment to look inside the housing for any accumulated dirt or leaves, which you can easily wipe away. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: just like your car needs a clean filter, you need good fuel too. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the easy part, installing your brand new air filter. Make sure it's facing the correct way. There's usually an arrow indicating airflow. Gently place it into the housing, then put the cover back on. Fasten all the clips or screws firmly to ensure a tight seal. This prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine, protecting it from contaminants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.